Can't move.
Welcome back to another episode on the Lifestyle Channel, my people. Today we there, today we there in the backyard, I cook up some wild fowl. Where's the brother?
I know people and we see two fowl around grass, so we just grab them.
Listen, fowl around people.
Yeah.
Listen, fowl around where the foreign is a farm we go up on.
Wild fowl.
And we go get some farm raised common fowl. So,
All vegetarian chicken them, you know.
you see them big? One of them have around 10 pounds, you know? So we're gonna go ahead and
Ready for boss head world boss?
Crack you up.
we're gonna go ahead and dispatch them and get them clean up and sitting. So we're gonna make you see what I go on.
I give them a one-way ticket, people.
Just stay tuned and watch what I go on.
Yeah, and this is how them do it, how them call it now? KFC. Corner store down the road.
Oh, this one a bad someone?
When I make nice. Yeah, in my crew. Yes, I hear it's not put on that.
Huh?
Yeah, we need a trash bag for them. True off them for them.
Real boss, go on the trash bag then.
Go back to the trash bag. Yeah, put that in a shot. Go on. Give me bloody sick.
No man, blood no matter. What's that? Man, I rub up for me.
See, man, fool. But I'm going to make nice. My crew.
Blood clot, I wanna know this.
Yeah, man, then dress up some boss if he come kill fowl, you know.
Yeah?
Think so, I'm coming for dead and everything, dude. I don't know
Man, already done.
That's it. Buy a nice store, see if thing. No, that's the fucking water. Hey, grab a water, man. Boom,
Braga, I'm big so.
Oh, that 3 pound him out here, 3.5, 4 pound.
Big, a regular size fowl.
Yeah, do the food then, I make soap.
No.
Yo. Yeah, make you with some cold food. He brothers.
It's still a kick, man.
This is so 5 hour come through. Yo, we got it.
Yo, not the mate.
You sure?
Not the mate, man. The table can't hold both of them.
Oh, you mean, then you're not done with that one, the catch him on the edge?
Nah, my ear, this blood.
Go on, listen. I got to start picking next one.
You put clean up the fowl, you know. From the backyard to the kitchen.
This one a big on the pot.
People 1 minute it and run up and down over there, so now in the panic. Almost the panic.
Bumbo clock.
Yeah, that one. Yeah, oh, they are here, man. I told you that they have to feed there, man. Yeah, by midday, done and clean up back here. Yo, better than the gloves, no?
Why, gloves not hot?
No,
Plastic gloves, no?
You know, I will not eat, man.
Yeah, that's panic ground. That's panic table, no?
Yo, Jama, we need one big pot where they can go, you know, like with fresh water.
Yeah.
One thing can tell him a pick off easy.
Yo, it's when you pick a feather, you know that's right feather, you use the whole feather and rub it. So you get off all the fine one. No, not the whole I mean, I get a handful of feather.
Get off, so you get a fine ear them.
All I fine ear them.
I have to get a piece of dick pointing out.
Yeah.
This is someone, man.
Yo, what kind of fowl? Is a man fowl or is a woman fowl? A rooster.
Jaja youth.
What you do with it?
Can I use them boil soup?
You Germans they plant them.
So then we grow more chicken.
You got two
Multiply.
rooster tree there back
Yeah, really, you go pick 2 rooster.
You around 20 you know, I'm gonna pick a fowl no?
20 a long time. I'm gonna pick a chicken soon.
Huh?
What, hey?
Right, this is I got me rooster.
What? No, this on here. Hey, watch it, you know. You get charged. Why you pitch it?
Yeah, say, nobody business.
Just say anything when you're drunk, so everything going on.
But alright people, we have finished up this and then we'll see what go on. The finished product, so stay tuned and watch what go on. Remember, like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend.
Brother, you got to look at her to tell when you go.
Me? No, Sam can just say, you ready, Sam?
That thing they look like our...
Oh, look like a yo, partners can't edit them there, man.
Eh?
You can't edit them there. Open the chat to a fuckery there, flag there. I say, oh, the joke go on here, we can chat fuckery.
Yeah!
Don't keep this shit clean, B.
Yeah.
Body goes at 140. Come in. Brother, you got to level up.
Huh?
This is the nigga going to beat you in the gym right here.
Where?
That was Wednesday, we call him. Then walk on.
Oh my God. There you go. Yo, I'm chicken neck tough, you know? Jesus
They don't
Christ.
come and fall. Yo, you wanna say chicken neck tough like I don't come and fall.
So what is it?
Can't do that.
No, this is for me. That nigga here. Freaking, gotta talk to your mom about practice for a thing there.
Hey, brother.
Left me in the water, man.
Alright, then check and see.
See me bad now, I can plug fowl. What you talk about? Fully active.
That a pick, you have to pluck him, you know. You know if you pluck him?
No, sir, I can't have to go do that part. You know.
Yeah, we are in a hot top scene over here, boy.
right now, I know a puppy bitter girl.
Nah,
You can't have it later.
yo, all the skin is skin tough. Your friend, I knife done.
I guess
Nah,
come on
done.
fall. I guess come on fall tough no matter which part I whirl in there.
Hope you got the knife.
Yo, all the for real come on fall tough.
Yo, we need a good knife.
What, a knife not sharp enough?
Nah, cut. People come and fall, dull up your knife, you all hunting knife. Yeah.
What? Cut off 2 neck and a knife. Dull up already.
How you try cut?
My skin.
Try this and see if you can cut it. Bumbo
Just
clat,
stop.
rowa.
Just stuff.
Whoa.
Stuff no one.
Yeah, blood out here, man.
Nothing wrong with that.
Tell the people who are going now.
People, we are on a topsy on that chicken, you know. Well, you know what is the problem? You can hear one new art.
The problem is the grill's not lit yet.
Well, yeah.
Hey, you ready for like the grill?
Look like the struggle is real, brother.
Yeah, yo, come on, full tough. So the part, you know.
Boss?
Alright, kidney look good.
Yo.
Hey, where that must have been tried?
So we are gonna do that.
I clean out this one.
So we are gonna do the roasty.
I mean, this can cook. You can do anything this can cook with. You can cook with the chicken.
No, myself can roast it on the grill.
Yeah, this can, yeah, you can roast.
I'm not eating chicken balls, enough.
And chicken balls.
Oh, we can get balls out of this.
Yo, this is chicken parts like kidney this.
Jaja, you.
Kidney this one.
You know, I don't kidney for eat.
See, chicken kidney. Let's go. Kidney and neck and foot, you know we go.
Yeah, chat.
Bumbo clat, I say foot.
I look like, yeah, sugar.
I say tough.
Yeah, people and chicken are not normal. Thing of them hard. You cement man feed the chicken them one.
And like yes, you could have done both the whole thing. I didn't think it was.
No man, you go cut up everything in there.
Just hold this.
Want it that one? You can't take your time now, you have to be back camera.
Good soup, that is.
What?
Step by soup. Drink that.
So now you cut off all of the skin.
You don't have to cut off all of that. Wait, no, what you do? You cut neck first.
You cut off neck
You
first.
have to cut the neck first because this release everything in it.
One clot.
Cut the neck deep.
Eh?
Knife a cut skin.
What do you mean?
What that? Yellow. Look
Mm.
like butter and I.
You cut off the neck. Try cut off the neck and then all of them they release. Everything in it. Come in with the trash bag. Dash them. You clean up as you go along.
Blood clot.
No
Tough.
evidence behind.
Oh, you right as a good?
Yeah, they tell us it's tough man.
Oh,
Sam, let's go.
clot, brother. I have to send for bigger knife,
Yo,
man.
people have to clean out everything with the inside of the chicken, you know. All of them like the fat. Still say tough, you know.
No, sir. We can't get this as it now.
Nah, not yet. Yeah, we can't get the one in a fresh water.
I say, Punky, I want to go on with the knife. And the knife have a problem.
Yo, it's tough like a board.
Yo, your neck tough, Dan. One thing knife for work, but your neck tough.
What you mean? Me not just swipe off the neck just now?
That's a head.
Yeah, you were angry though.
What is that come on?
People are technique in this now, just a slide here.
Like a professional, right?
Yeah.
So you say, we are so now we just bust us open now.
Yeah, you both no, not just cut it open.
Hey, you man chat man.
This one I just want to clean out a little bit more, try to get out some.
Where do the water with it?
Yo, I'll egg in and fall in.
What?
Gotcha.
Oh,
Sick,
man bowl.
One then
Big.
the man have
Go for the bigger
Yo,
knife,
yeah, I'm
man.
gonna delete that part.
Yeah?
Yo, cut.
Alright, everyone. Jabrag done.
Alright, I just
Start out the fold, let me know. We look over there so they are going to see the finished product. Let me know the punch. Where am I going, Sam? Yes, sir, Jabrags. Fully active right now.
Activate, man. They're ready now, man.
Yes, sir, Red Bass. Ready to cook up. Huh? Yo, our Red Bass, I chef on my people.
World boss, a chef up today, so.
So here I go, my people. This is a part one. This is a part one of the video. In a part two, you are going to see the cook up. Stay tuned. To part two. Remember, like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Go outside.
But you pray.